Hey, you know that Logan You...
Still talking about him.
Yeah, I'm talking about him lah, why not? Hey, you guys say something or not? Somebody shouting for help, eh?
Hey, somebody drowning lah. Yeah lah, over there lah.
Hey!
Help!
Hey, somebody drowning! Yeah, who's that? Hey, they're drowning!
The tide comes in, pulls some sand back into the ocean. Land.
Don't just jump in without thinking. You might end up just like him, drowning himself.
Use your common sense, people.
So what's the moral of the story?
Don't be a cheap spy!
Now, let's restart. Throw the rope behind you to ensure that they don't get tangled onto you and cause injuries like rope burns or cause you to fall into the water. If you love your hands, do not coil the rope around your hands and cause injury to them. Hold on to your life buoy firmly and make a quick throw. Throw the life buoy close to the drowning person and not onto them. Once they have grabbed onto the life buoy, pull them back to shore. Do not do spins to be able to throw the life buoy further. You may lose balance and fall. And notice how the ropes are not behind the person throwing the life buoy. Once the life buoy is thrown, the rope can scrape against your leg and cause rope burns or cause you to trip and fall. And that is how you throw a life buoy.
Always use your common sense. Don't be a cheap spy.